name's Engineer. Today, on Explain Time, we're going to talk about shape-shifting. But before we do that, let me explain to you a little bit what Explain Time actually is. It is a time where I explain to you stuff, but I make it fun and not plain. Hence the idea of explain. So, let's start. From this to that. So, how exactly do you shape shift? And there's two things you can shape shift into. How do you do that? Now, you can shape shift into an animate object, like a rock, quite easily. Not like you, but have to know the composition of that rock, or it's all the atoms, and you or anything, you'll be able to transform all your atoms from your atoms to the rock's atoms. It's a big rock. But you can, the other thing you can transform into is an animate object. This is a little simpler because you don't have to change all of your atoms. Because you can change your DNA. Because all living organisms have DNA, because we all have cells, and all cells have DNA. So, DNA, if you have a dog's DNA, you memorize it. You can make yourself turn into a dog or a cat. Now, you cannot exactly transform into a cat, dog, rock just by saying, I want to be a cat. Meow. Doesn't work. You have to have something that will help you do that. There's two. You can have it in your chromosomes, have it in your DNA. In DNA, there is one little chromosome that has this one little part that will be used for shape shifting. That is very hard to do though, so that is not exactly the best idea. What I best recommend is Ben 10 idea. Ben 10 idea. In other words, Omnitrix transforms you. Ben 10, it was the trick that transformed Ben 10 into all those aliens. Omnitrix, Ben 10 would have been just Ben. Ben 10 would have just been Ben, not all those aliens. I haven't watched the show very often, so I forgot all the aliens he's turned into. But anyway, so the watch knows has all the DNA of the aliens Ben can turn into. So, here's, let's say, Ben. Sorry if I'm terrible drawing Ben. It's like a clown, but it doesn't matter. Into an alien. Like, let's say that the one that was fiery. Because DNA. And that is how you shapeshift. Thank you for this lesson. And if you want it to be more fun, or it'll be less fun on our next topic, which will be explaining my book. One of the books I'm writing. Woohoo! To this from